Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Alright, we got some good times here. So let's take a look at this seat. And let's go around to the driver's side. So we got a lot of stains. You know, he's an athlete. Got some Gatorade. So, let's go through the process. Be right back and we'll start. So I'm using Meguiar's Pro Series line Pro Fiber Rinse first. I'm gonna really get that in there. Especially that stain. So one thing I learned from a class from Meguiar's, you got to keep hitting it with all the stain removers while it's wet, otherwise it'll set and make it worse. So got to keep going with the full arsenal until it comes clean. I'm going to agitate it with the brush a little bit, then we'll go on to the next stage. I'm using a drill and a soft bristle brush just to kind of work it in there. Now I'm going to go on to Chemical Guys. It is the Fabric Clean Carpet and Upholstery Shampoo. So I'm going to soak it with that. It's raining today in Arizona. All right. So I'm putting these now in the big sprayers so it's easier to spray it on. So I just got them at the local hardware store. Mix it up a gallon at a time. Makes life a lot easier. Make sure I get that stain. Any stain areas. Now this one will really suds up. I'll suds it up with a brush. Not really. Well, soaking it up. The stain's coming out already. Now I'm going to hit it with the lightning fast stain extractor from Chemical Guys. I'm going to go over just the areas where I know there's a stain, where you get a lot of the elbow grease from, dark spots on the jeans. Don't have to use a lot of that. That suds it up. All right. I'll be back with the extractor. Here's a quick after. Seats are still drying a little bit, but as you can see, stains are gone. Take a quick look at the other side. It was real bad. And actually there we go. The back seats had just as many stains as the front. Still drying. Everything's gone. Have a great day, everybody. Let's keep that car shiny.